Hey guys, welcome to tutorial video. Today I'll be showing you how to change your default browser to Google Chrome on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to change your default browser to Google Chrome, first go to the settings of your computer. To do that, you can see over here at the bottom left corner of the screen there is the Windows icon which says start, where I'm hovering right now. Click over there, and after that you can see the settings icon over here. Click on settings, and when this opens up guys, you can spot the app style over here just below the system. Click on the apps, and after that over here there is the option which says default apps. Click over there, and over here guys you will see the every default app on your computer. Now to change your web browser, scroll down, and now to make the Google Chrome as your default browser, you can see the Microsoft Edge over here. Click over there, and it opens this kinds of panel where you can see there are a lot of browsers over here, including the internet browser, Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome. And in order to change it, it says already here choose an app, so just click on the Google Chrome, and there is it has been successfully changed. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. This is how you change the Google Chrome as your default browser on your computer. And there guys, peace.